Students, class 11 physics, chapter 1st, physical world and measurements. There are dimensions and application of dimensions. Application of dimensional analysis, usage of dimensional analysis. There are three applications, three uses to convert one system of unit into another system, to check the correctness of physical relation, and third application to derive formula. Okay, so third application you are studying. Third application is to derive formula. Suppose that oscillations of a simple pendulum depends on the mass of the bob, length of the pendulum L, acceleration due to gravity small g, and angular displacement theta. Derive the formula for time period. So this you are getting. Here there is simple pendulum. So this oscillation time period, let t time period depends on the time period oscillations of bob simple pendulum depends on the mass. So you can write m to the power a, depends on length of the pendulum L to the power b, and this acceleration due to gravity g c, and angular displacement theta, angular displacement. So time taken to complete one oscillation depends on mass of the bob, length of the simple pendulum, acceleration due to gravity, and angular displacement theta. So now you will derive formula for time period. So this, if you remove proportional sign, you will put a constant. So here k dash you can say, and here theta to the power d, and here m to the power a, L to the power b, g to the power c, or t is equal to k m to the power a, L to the power b, g to the power c. Call equation 1. Theta, angular displacement. This theta you know, theta is equal to arc length by radius. Arc length by radius, length L, radius to 1. This is dimensionless constant. So this k dash, if you remove proportional sign, you will put a constant k dash. So this is constant of proportionality, or this is dimensionless constant. So this both will be the constant. So then suppose k is equal to k dash theta to the power d. This is also constant, another constant. After that, writing dimensional formula on both sides. Both sides we can write dimensional formula. So here m to the power 0, L to the power 0, or t to the power 1. Here k m to the power capital M you can write to the power a, length capital L you can write b, or here acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity, as you know, a acceleration due to gravity, acceleration is equal to velocity by t. So velocity lt minus 1 by t. So lt minus 2. So you will remember acceleration or acceleration due to gravity meaning same here, lt minus. So in place of g you can write this L or t minus 2 to the power c. Now just you can simplify. M to the power 0, L to the power 0, T to the power 1 is equal to K, and here M to the power A, L to the power C, L to the power base M, power will be added, so B plus C, and here T to the power minus 2C. This you can say. Now according to this formula is correct if both side dimensions are same. Yeah, according to principle of homogeneity, you will write this. So in this way you can write according to principle of homogeneity, m to the power a, m to the power 0. So a is equal to 0, L to the power b plus c, b plus c, b plus c is equal to 0, and here t to the power minus 2c, minus 2c is equal to, and here t to the power 1. So in this way, on solving, if you solve, then you can find out the value of ABC. On solving, if you solve, then you will get this value. A is equal to 0, and here C is equal to minus half, or this minus half value if you are putting here, so B is equal to half. These ABC value you can put in equation 1. This is equation 1. In equation 1 we can put this value, then you will get from equation 1 you can say, so T is equal to K m to the power 0, L to the power b that is half, or g to the power c minus half. This you will write. So this K m to the power 0 1, and L to the power half, and here g to the power half. So this k is constant of proportionality. This constant of proportionality is obtained experimentally, so its value is 2 pi. constant का value क्या है 2 pi. So this t is equal to k के place पर 2 pi under root L by g. This is the required formula. So in this way dimensionally you can derive formula. So how will you derive formula? First you will read question carefully. After that see the factor. Depends on which factor. लेफ्ट साइड जो है ये फैक्टर किस किस पर डिपेंड करेगा, एम एल जी, जो भी फैक्टर्स पर डिपेंड करेगा उसके पावर क्या लिख सकते हैं, ए, उसके पावर बी, उसके पावर सी. राइट डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला ऑन बोथ साइड्स एंड सिंप्लीफाई. यूज प्रिंसिपल ऑफ होमोजेनिटी, देन you can find out the value of ABC and put this value ABC in equation 1 and you will get the formula. In this way you can derive formula.